I got some goodies in the mail yesterday that I want to share with you guys. I really haven't even looked in it. I opened it and kind of peeked at it, but it'll be my first time really looking at it. Of course, it is nail polish by this brand called Nail Social. They have 40 plus colors of 5 free, cruelty free nail polish. And I think that's really cool. Hashtag Nail Social Polish, because they are on Instagram, and this is also where you can find them here. So if you guys are interested, and I hope this is not showing backwards, but yeah, it is by Nail Social Nail Brand. And I also got this. Came in a cute pink packaging. Let me take it out. This is how it looks in the package. Please don't look at my nails because they are not done. I've been so busy. I haven't had the time. But it has a cute little Nail Social sticker on it too. Open it up here. Okay. Looks like I got 4 colors. The first one. That is so pretty. Love it. The name of this one is called Boss Babe. Really pretty, like a bronze color. Next I'll do this one. This one is called Tan Lines. Hope you guys can see it. That's pretty, a nice summer Easter color, Easter summer color. And then next we have a green, which is called Makta Ice. I hope I'm saying that right. This is a pretty green with shimmer in it, like the bronze. So I think this one is just a cream. And this one has a shimmer to it. That's really pretty. I can see some kind of iridescent color going on there. I see like a yellow kind of in there, it looks like. Cute, and cute little bottles too. Next, ooh, we have a glitter. This one is pink. It is called Pink Mafia. I'm trying to look at it up close. I think it's all pink. I really like this. My favorite color. Yay! So let me get them all up. I'll show you guys. There we go. So 4 beautiful shades by, once again, Nail Social Nail Brand. Show you guys again where you guys can find them. Instagram at nailsocial_nail brand. They also are on Etsy, and there is their email address as well. If you guys are interested, please do make sure you give them a follow on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, give them a follow. Let them know LuvNailsNicole Sent Ya. If you go to Etsy and order, let them know as well. Be sure to check them out, and I will come back and swatch these guys for you so you guys can kind of see how they look outside of the bottles. But I think they're all beautiful colors. I've seen their pictures on Instagram, and all their polishes and swatches that I've seen, it looks really, really nice. So yeah, be sure to check them out, and I just wanted to share that nail mail with you guys. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and I'll see y'all again soon. Bye, you guys.